Hi everyone, good evening. I know it's going to be a Web3 powered packed week for you guys who have already attended a couple of events. Thanks a lot for coming out today. I'm Shivang, I'm founder of the Generative Beings, and as Zach said, this is like a pure play AI focused organization. What we are really doing is trying to create a space for AI founders and builders to find the platform and a community to scale their efforts. Right? We've been doing a lot of events, something similar to this, along with partners, hyperscalers, AI companies, and also startups. And we have now reached over 10,000 members across Southeast Asia. If you are an AI founder or a builder or in the overlap space of Web3 plus AI, please do check out the platform. And it's what we are trying to create into sort of like a product hunt for Southeast Asia and get the stories of founders and builders out there in the market. Right. This is basically what the community comprises of. Majority are founders. Many of you would know the top logos, but the fun parts at the bottom, and most of these are early stage companies. They are making money, they have customers, and they're building into the generative AI space or the AI agentic space, in the SaaS space, and trying to solve different problem statements. And majority of these logos that you see here are here based in Singapore. So we do sort of like a survey of sorts when people create their account on TGB platform, and it's very clear. Obviously, there's a bias as well here, but everyone is using AI, right? And this doesn't mean that everyone who's just being out of school or someone who's not in the tech space. These are senior leaders. These are people from SMEs. These are everyone across the globe from 40 countries who are telling us that AI is part of their day-to-day work, and 50% of them actually find a positive outcome from AI. How to measure it is still a question, but you will find n number of articles and research papers from the top companies which talk about how AI is disrupting the entire space. And our intent of starting TGB was to figure out how to help these founders and builders get in front and try to connect with their customers. There's a lot of talks about millions and millions of jobs getting displaced, everything's creating like an end of world scenario. But think about it, if there are no jobs, there is no money to be spent on the platforms and the products that are being built, right? But because of this disruptive shift, what generative AI has brought, the biggest challenge that people are basically facing is the shortage of AI talent. So it's a chicken and egg problem, but the point is the opportunity itself is there for us to actually go out, upskill ourselves, even if we're not from the world of AI, but basically figure out how to upgrade our existing skill set and be ready for the AI workforce. And that just means that the work will be displaced. The kind of roles that will be in the future will be quite different. I haven't covered those in this slide, I think I should. But it's very clear that the AI talent gap exists, and this is where we find the community and the ecosystem that we're trying to build is going to help you guys find the AI talent for the Web3 plus AI projects that we're trying to do. We're trying to grow as a scalable proposition. So while we do events, it's impossible for us to run 300 events across the year, across the globe. So all of this learning, skill building, and potential opportunities to get visible is happening through the platform. So our entire members directory, all the AI tools that are listed by the founders in the community, all the AI projects that people are working on, everything is there. We're running hackathons, we're running workshops, and this space is a collaboration between TGB and Michael, who's the CEO and founder of SQ Collective, and we're trying to create a Gen AI lab ecosystem here so that people come, they build, they find the community, and then we help them to get showcased globally. Right now it's more Southeast Asia focused, but we hope to become global over the time period. We've done a couple of events, 70 is more than a couple, but the point is we have been finding different opportunities and avenues to work with different partners, talk about the different problem statements to solve, and then try out different formats. So panel discussions, keynotes, a summit like today, masterclasses, roundtables, hackathons, you name it, we're trying to do all of it. And we're not just in Singapore, we're across Southeast Asia, we're trying to expand as well. But the idea is that all of this happens eventually to bring the community closer. But the key proposition is that the TGB platform becomes your go-to space for anything that's happening in AI.